Techno Industrial Products offers good in price and quality couplers. O Series one-touch type couplers is one of them in full body and nickel plating. This coupling can give you better life than the normal one due to its nickels coating, big body than normally iron couplers, and more convenient than J Series couplers. Which just need to use both hands. In O Series couplers, just simply use a hand to fix it as image, and the next shot show us how to operate on tool. Tool is filled with air to perform job.